it's Cassie. What up? Today is December 30th, which means tomorrow is New Year's Eve, the day of smoky eyes and glitter. My hair is already up in a bun, my base is already on, which means this is going to be quick and to the point. So strap in, grab your coffee, and let's go. So as you could have guessed from the intro, I'm going to show you how to do an easy, quick, black, glittery, smoky eye. Something that looks like it took a long time, but really it's like 4 steps. And smoky eyes can be intimidating, but they're easy if you just take your time and be patient and proceed cautiously and start with a little bit of product and then build your way up. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's go. All right, I'm actually really excited because I picked up the Lunar Beauty brush set and I've heard really good things about these brushes. And look at that, they're so cool. They are 100% my aesthetic. I didn't even plan that, but they match my nails, the black that fades into the white. And these just look like a great collection of eye brushes that you would need to do an eye look. So I'm gonna try them out in this video and I'm excited about that. I'm also going to use this Viseart palette that I got for Christmas, which I've been wanting to try forever. So I'm so happy that I received that. And here we go. First step, I already put primer on my eyes and I used a concealer. So the first step we're going to do is put a neutral color right above your crease. That is going to help later on when we get into really dark colors. It's going to help blend the dark colors out. It's going to be much easier having that initial light shade placed. So I'm going to go in with this Lunar Beauty 2 brush. It's a sort of medium-sized fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to dip into this peachy neutral shade in the top left corner here. Now I'm going to start fluffing this in right above the crease. And the thing I love about smoky eyes is they can be messy and grungy. They don't have to be perfect. So, don't focus on making a perfect shape. It can be fluffed out and smoky. That's the whole point. All right, I just had to take all of the makeup off of this eye and put all my makeup back on so that I can start over, because the second step, which is the most crucial, is to put a black cream gel base on your lid before you put black matte eyeshadow. It helps the black matte eyeshadow to distribute evenly and it makes it pigmented and punchy so that it's not patchy and gray. So while that's an important step, I usually use like a black eyeliner or gel eyeliner, but I just don't have one right now. I don't know why, but I don't. So I was in a Sephora yesterday and I asked one of the workers what they normally use. They pointed me to this Sephora Jumbo Black Eye Pencil and it looks like it would do exactly what I need it to do. However, I just tried it and it must set so quickly because by the time I put the black matte eyeshadow down, it would not budge at all. So I couldn't blend out the black line into my crease and feather all the colors into each other. It wouldn't move. But this is all I have. So I had to figure out a way to make this work. So instead of going in with that first, I am going to, after I put down that first light transition shade, I'm going to now take a small brush. I'm going to go back with that Lunar Beauty 6 brush, the smudgy brush, and I'm going to place black eyeshadow in my crease so that when I do place this jumbo black eyeliner on my lid, there's already that black eyeshadow there that I can just quickly start blending it into. So going in with my Lunar Beauty 6 brush and the black shadow in the Viseart palette, I am going to very precisely place this black shadow in my crease. All right, so once I've done that, this next part is going to go real quick because like I said, this thing dries down in the blink of an eye. So I am just going to explain what I'm going to do and then I'm not going to talk. So I'm going to take this jumbo black eye pencil. I'm going to put it all over my lid and, fade it up into that black eyeshadow that I just put down. Then I'm going to very quickly set this eyeliner with the black matte shadow and I'm going to use this flat, fluffy brush here. It's nice because it's flat so that you can precisely press the shadow into that black crease that we just created, but it's still fluffy enough where you can sort of wiggle around and blend it in as well. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna speed it up. All right, after eons and eons of blending, I am finally back. I have to say, I do not recommend this jumbo black eye pencil from the Sephora collection for this particular step. It dries so fast. Don't use this as a base for anything, because once you place it, literally like boop, set for life, can't move it, the end of story, close the book, you're done, it's not going anywhere. I had to blend this black out for so long, like blending it out, going back in with that first transition color, blending it again, adding more black because it faded, blah, blah, for so long. So save yourself the trouble, just pick up like a regular black eyeliner, like maybe one of the Essence black eyeliners or anything else, like maybe like a gel liner from Maybelline, something like that where it's a bit more creamy so it's more malleable. You can move it around, you can blend it and then set with the black and it can still blend into that first transition color without giving you a hard time. So I'm gonna first put more of that first transition color, that peachy color right here, and bring some of this color back to life so that it's not just this black eyeshadow everywhere. I'm bringing this color back a bit. Now I think I'm going to add a little bit of brown in between the black and that transition color to just keep creating this sort of gradient between the two. So I'm going to pick up this brown shade right here. I'm actually going to use this smaller fluffy brush. This is the Lunar Beauty 3 brush, and pick up that brown shade and going in between those two. And now I'm just going to deepen the colors up. So I'm going to put more black down and then the brown and then the lightest color. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I have the pigmentation that I want. Still traumatized by how long it took me to blend that freaking crayon out. All right, now I'm going to tightline, which means I'm going to put this black eyeliner on the upper waterline. And now for the best part, the glitter, the showstopper, the entree, if you will, to this look, the cherry on top. I am going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel in Disco Daydream, the silver glitter color. And I'm just gonna put that probably all over the lid because it's New Year's Eve and glitter's acceptable. And I'm just gonna take that on my finger. And you can do this just in the middle, the inner corner to the middle, if you want to keep some of that black. But I just love glitter, so I put it everywhere. Whoops. Look at that. Like, we are the ball that is dropping down as the new year comes in. Am I right? All right, now I'm going to put the black liner on my waterline. See, and this product's really good for this, so it's not like it's a complete dud, it's just not good at all, again, for what I was trying to do earlier. I'm gonna go in with the black matte shadow and this Lunar Beauty 6 brush, smudgy brush, and I'm gonna smudge that waterline out. And now with that Lunar Beauty 3 brush, I'm gonna go back into that brown color and further smoke out the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that heavy metal glitter and put it just on the bottom middle of the lower lash line. Now as that dries, I'm going to put on my blush real quick. And I also got the Moon Prism Blush Palette from Lunar Beauty, which I'm excited about. And I'm going to take this peachy shade. Actually, I'm going to mix Stargaze and Twilight right here. It's so pretty. Love it. I'm going to do a little bit of Pink Moon too. All right, I'm gonna put on my brows and lashes and I'll be right back. All right, I got my brows on and my lashes on, and now all that's left is the lips. You could throw on a new lip and walk out the door, you're ready to go. But you know me, I like being bold, so I'm gonna put on this bright purple lip. New Year's Eve is the one time where you can just do whatever the heck you want. It's one of the reasons I started expanding my knowledge and skill in makeup, because I knew that New Year's Eve you can go all out, you can try creative looks. So it was always an opportunity for me to gain more skills and practice smoky eyes and whatever. So I take full advantage of this holiday. So this is actually the Sephora Collection liquid lipstick, and this is shade, I don't know what shade it's in, but everything's always down in the description, so I'll put the name in there. All right, I curled my hair, I put my black dress on, I put my sparkly hoops on, and now for the finishing touch, I'm gonna put gloss on, and I am going to throw it back old school style, and I am going to use the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump XXL, and I can use the XXL because let me tell you, I have tiny lips. Boom. Shiny, glossy lips. All right, so this is the finished look. This was a quick black smoky eye. It was only a couple steps. For me, it took forever because of that freaking crayon, but if you go pick up literally any other black eyeliner, you will have this look done in 10 minutes. Okay, fine. Like a half an hour, but still, it is an easy black smoky eye. It looks like it took forever, right? But it's not that hard. Don't be afraid. Go for it. It's New Year's. You know, you can always wipe it off, but this is the time. This is the day to have fun. And honestly, if you F up, then just put the glitter everywhere and no one will know. And again, it's acceptable. So I hope you liked this New Year's Eve smoky, glittery, glam look. And if you did, then hit the like button and subscribe and comment below. Do you like going out all glam on New Year's Eve, or do you like keeping it simple because by the time it hits 1 a.m. you don't want to take off all this makeup? Or do you just sleep in it? Don't do that. Don't do that. All right, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.